Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad Ali here from Doha, Qatar. Last time we were discussing atomic structure topic. It is chapter number 2 in 11 grade chemistry. And today we are going to discuss X-rays topic. In X-ray topic, we will discuss the discovery of X-ray, explanation for the origin of X-rays, Mosley work on X-rays and uses of X-rays. So first of all, as regard of the discovery of X-rays, it is done by the Roentgen. Roentgen performed same glass discharge tube experiment, and in his experiment he bombarded the cathode rays on a anode, and he used the anode having the high atomic number. He observed that some rays are emitted from the anode, and these rays have very high penetrating power. He gave the name to these X-rays. So in this way, X-rays discovered accidentally. Now I am going to explain what is the origin of X-rays. What is the origin of X-rays? How the X-rays are produced? What happens in real with the atom? Actually, in the glass discharge tube experiment, when cathode rays bombard on an anode of high atomic number, the electron from the inner shells knocked out. Due to that, the electronic configuration of the inner shells disturbed. So the electron from the higher energy level drop down to balance that configuration. When they drop down, they emit some energy, and these are called X-rays. I can give you one more slide for this one. Look at here. When fast moving electrons strike on the anode atom, they remove the electron from the inner shells of an atom. So electronic configuration disturbed. So electron from any of the higher energy level fall down and emits the energy, and these are the X-rays. So this is the explanation for the origin of X-rays. Later, Mosley, he performed a systematic research on the X-rays. Now I am going to explain you the Mosley work. Mosley performed a proper research work on X-rays. He used a different anode in his experiment, remaining same when the cathode rays are bombarded on the anode. Some rays are emitted, and these rays were X-rays. He performed different experiment. Nearly 38, he changed the anode, 38 anode in his experiment. Mosley used 38 different elements as a target anode. And he observed that always the different rays having the different wavelength are coming out, and he covered 0.08 to 0.08 angstrom wavelength range of the X-rays. And later he concluded that the wavelength of these X-rays are inversely proportional to the atomic number of the anode, and the frequency of these X-rays is directly proportional to the atomic number of that anode atom. So in this way, he derived a equation that is called Mosley law. So what is Mosley law? Mosley law is this one. If square root of the frequency of X-rays is strictly proportional to the nuclear atomic number, nuclear charge or atomic number. So this equation is called Mosley equation. At the end, what about the uses of X-rays? These are very famous nowadays. But first time the use of X-rays was there in England to check the fracture. So it can be used that if there is any fracture of the bones. So for radiotherapy, it is used. More, these can also be used to identify the structure of a crystals. One another use is if these X-rays are passed through a gas, they can ionize the gases. So mainly four uses here I explain you. One, medical use, they can be used to locate the fracture inside the body, and other, they can be used to find the internal structure of the crystal, like it will be cubic, hexagonal, or whatever. And more, they can ionize the gases. So just few uses I discuss here. So in X-rays topic, you should know about the discovery of X-rays, origin of X-rays, Mosley work, and uses of X-rays. Okay, student, take care of you and take care of the people around you. See you next. Okay, Allah Hafiz.